Viewers, I would like to some Argentina supporters. Though today they were Japantina. This is Samir Bhaiya. Samir Bhaiya, are we as Argentina supporters?
Yes.
Yes, he said loudly. He is Argentina supporters. And this is come here, come here. Ryan. Ryan is also Argentina supporters and crazy supporters. He always think about Argentina. Or yeah, somehow he thinks about reading or writing or of his studies, but he always think World Cup about Argentina. Okay, Ryan, wish you bad luck, not good luck, because in semi-final, Brazil and Argentina will be played against one another. Okay? Next, Fahim. Fahim Chaudhary, koi? Where are you? Come. This is Fahim. Yeah, he's also a crazy Argentina supporter. Samir Bhaiya, who I have already introduced with you. And this is Siam. Siam, come here. This is Siam. He is also Argentina supporter, but he always stay in silence and he calmness. But he always support Argentina. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Next, Mehdi. He is Mehdi Hassan. Am I correct? Are you Mehdi? Mehdi Hassan. Mehdi Hassan also are Argentina supporters. He always was the every match in camera or mobile. Mobile देखो ना ये देखो, टीवी ते देखो. TV they always in 1 a.m. or 1 p.m. or 12 p.m. or 7 p.m. every match he watched in TV. Okay, he is also a crazy fan of Argentina. Next, come Anas. Now, Anas, I have already introduced with you. Anas. Oye, Arjun ki मैं ये मेहदी पर कितने असर क्या है? Shivat koi? Where Shivat? Shivat, come here. This is Sivat. He is also Argentina supporter. Dear viewers, I introduce with you my students who are Argentina supporters, but only me is a Brazilian supporter. Are you imagine what is happening? But today they are super excited because tomorrow their half-year examination will start and their first exam is Bangla first paper and they have already taken a super preparation on their half-yearly examination. No more today. Bye-bye. See you next video. কি রে